Okay. No, it's fine. Okay. We got 3 guys here and a lady. 2 guys.
There's 7 up there, and then these 2.
That's fine. All right. That's perfectly fine.
Oh, okay, you good?
Yeah. So 9 meals. Okay. We'll start there, and then you see those little the turnovers up there on the top shelf.
Yeah.
Yeah. Get me 9 of those. Okay. Just random, whatever. Just pick out 9. Yeah, 9. Okay? And then get me 9 Gatorades.
Yeah, the regular sizes?
Yeah, that's fine. Just give me 9 of them.
What else?
Okay? Then 9 bags of chips. Just random, whatever.
Okay.
Okay. Do you smoke? What do you smoke?
Marlboro Reds.
Okay. Get her 1 pack of Marlboro Reds. You smoke? What do you smoke?
Marble Smooth, sure.
1 pack of Marlboro Smooth. Okay? And then put $20 on number, the other side of number 6. 5, yeah. And that should cover it, all right? All right, bro. Thank you. Okay? So that gives you 3 days of rations, and then you can fight at least 3 days. At least I know for a fact you're fed for 3 days, and I'll be back to get you within 3 days. Okay? You've got you'll have my website. His wife will have my website. He can tell his wife that he's got a fucking job. He's going to get paid, but he's going to be living with me. So he's got a place to live, and so they can work their shit out. And we'll take care of that. Your mental health, your fucking medical, all that shit. We'll get you Obama phones. We'll get you dialed in. Okay, you can I would like you to say thank you to Barack Obama.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, say thank you to Barack Obama. Okay? That's right. You can say thank you to my good friend Barack Obama.
Thanks, Obama.
Right?
Thank you. I don't want to take a video.
That's right. You can say thank you to Barack Obama and the Obama Foundation.
Thank you.
Okay?
For sure.
I'll talk to you guys soon.
Thank you.
And you can thank BlackRock Financial, Aladdin 4.0. That's my magic carpet ride. Okay?
Oh, for sure.
Yeah. That's 500 horsepower and 500 foot-pounds of torque. I can tear up any Corvette any day of the week. I'll teach you some skills. You'll learn how to weld. You'll learn how to use mills, lathes, bottle things, industrial. You'll have certifications when I'm done with you, and I'll send you to Palomar College, both of you, all 3 of you. Make sure that you guys are taken care of and well educated. You got that? I promise you I will be back. I promise you. Just give me a day or 2 so we can get things dialed in at the shop so I can handle more people. Okay? Obviously, you guys, they're not drug addicts. You're just fucking down on your luck.
Yeah, literally.
Right. And I know his skills. I know her skills. She's got marketing, restaurant skills. I need that. We're doing food safety lab. Food safety is high-level restaurant fucking safety shit, right?
Yeah, I'm Safe certified.
Fine. You're done, dude. It's my job to apply for you to show you that I'm a good employer. I've never taken a written application. Never. Okay? Never. It's my job to give you my application to show you that I can be a good employer for you. You'll be an independent contractor. You'll work for multiple my companies. I have a variety of companies, dude. You understand? I'm very wealthy, bro. I can take care of you, and you can take care of me. Okay? Don't worry. This is going to be fine. It's going to be a little hard for you to accept the fact that somebody walking up off the street that would fucking take you in. I understand that. That's why I'm giving you my website and my YouTube. And you're going to see this video on there. You're going to go, fuck, that was me, dude. That was me then. And you're going to see the rock star that you're going to be in less than 30 days, dude. I promise you.
My friend, hold So the chips, it's okay. Cheese and hot, right?
Yeah, I don't care. Just random.
No hot.
Yeah, random. You guys can pick between the three of you. I think you can handle it.
Shorts, okay?
Yeah, we got to have their poisons, man. We'll work on your poisons later, but right now you need your fix. I understand.
Tobacco stuck into your stomach and